Measuring dispersion. The measures of central tendency is not adequate method to know a distribution because this method simply locates the center of a distribution and it has no information about how the scores or measurements are scattered in relation to the center. Purposes of dispersion. To find out the nature of the composition of a series or distribution. To compare the given distributions in terms of stability or homogeneity. Methods of measuring dispersion. The range. This is the simplest measure of the variability. It can be defined as the difference between the highest and lowest score in the given set of data. Range for ungrouped data. Range functions much the same way as mode does, and both of these measures are highly unstable. Standard deviation. This is the most widely used method of variability. The positive square root of the variance is called the standard deviation. To calculate the standard deviation of each score from the mean x is first squared x square it. Later, all of the squared deviations are summed and the resulted sum of the squared deviations is divided by the number of cases and at last step the square root is taken. Therefore, standard deviation is also defined as the root mean square deviation. Computation of standard deviation for grouped data. It can be calculated by using the formula. Coefficient of variation. It is calculated by the formula CV is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. It measures the relative variation.